we're going to see the figures of speech in the sentence. First one, the righteous shall flourish as the palm tree. As, okay, so which figure of speech will come here? Simile. As or like is used for comparison. Okay, so righteous shall flourish as the palm tree. What is flourished here? Righteous is compared with palm tree by using the word as. So that becomes simile. Second, the camel is the ship of the desert. When we say ship of the desert, or if I ask the question, who is the ship of desert? Directly what comes into your mind? Camel. So what will be the figure of speech here? Metaphor. Why? Because a single word or a word is used to denote a particular another word. Or same you can apply for camel also. When we say what is camel known as, so directly we will say camel is known as the ship of the desert. So a particular word is used to denote another word, means metaphor. Third, pride goeth forth on horseback, grand and gay. Gay means happy. Okay, pride, an inner emotion, feeling. On the horseback, it's going on horseback. Horseback, who goes? Human beings, living things. Okay? Grand and gay, again two emotions. Who has those emotions? Human beings. So, personification. Okay? Because here, pride is said to have a human quality of first, going on a horseback. Second, pride and happiness are the human qualities given to, grand and happiness are the human qualities given to pride. Which, again, pride is an emotion. Okay, a feeling that we have. Feeling proud, that is pride. So here it is compared with a human quality, or it is given a human quality. That is why personification. Next, why man, if the river were dry, I am able to fill it with tears. Now this we forgot to mention in the previous video. One more figure of speech, hyperbole. Hyperbole, when we say, hyperbole is an exaggerated statement. मतलब जो है उसको बड़ा चढ़ाकर बोलना. थोड़ा कुछ होता है उसको और ज़्यादा बड़ा करके या और ज़्यादा चढ़ाकर बोलना. एग्जैजरेटेड स्टेटमेंट को हाइपरबोल कहा जाता है. ठीक है, आई टोल्ड यू 1000 times this, but still you have not understood. Now a person might have not told thousands of time. बोला एक या दो बार ही होगा, या मैक्सिमम 3 या 5 बार. पर बोलते क्या है कि I've told you 100 times, I've told you 1000 times, but still you have not understood. Understood? तो exaggeration of statement is hyperbole. Now here it is told that the river is dry. If the river was dry, I would have filled the river with tears. Is that possible? No. But here what it means, that I am sad, I am crying so much that with my tears a complete river gets filled with water, or filled with my tears. ओके, एग्जैजरेटेड स्टेटमेंट. आप इतना तो नहीं रोओगे कि वो पूरा मतलब रिवर भर जाएगा, ये तो कभी हो ही नहीं सकता. यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू क्राई दैट मच दैट अ रिवर इज बीइंग फिल्ड विथ टीयर्स या वाटर. ये तो हो नहीं सकता. अंडरस्टूड? तो एक एग्जैजरेटेड स्टेटमेंट है कि मतलब आई एम सो मच सैड, कि मैं इतना दुखी हूँ, दैट आई एम क्राइंग सो मच दैट अ रिवर ऑल्सो कैन बी फिल्ड अप विथ टीयर्स. Exaggerated statement is hyperbole. Understood? 100 times I have told you. Okay? तो all that is an exaggerated statement. होता नहीं है, पर आप statement को और ज़्यादा exaggerate करके बोलते हो. Next, many are called but few are chosen. Many, few, opposite words. So, antithesis. Okay, many, few. in a sentence where there are two opposite words, that becomes antithesis. Now few more sentences you will get to solve.